Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
Section 3.6, one simple step to deleting your worksheet. Right-click its Sheet tab and choose Delete from the shortcut menu. I'm going to add a worksheet, sheet number 3, right-click, hit Delete. Your worksheet's gone. That's simple. There's other ways to do it. You can activate the unwanted worksheet and choose Home, Cells, Delete, Delete Sheet. Go up to the top tabs, Home, Cells, Delete, and then you can hit Delete Sheet. You can delete multiple sheets with a single command by selecting the sheets that you want to delete. So select multiple sheets, press Control. When you click the sheet tabs that you want to delete, to select multiple sheets, press Control while you click the sheet tabs that you want to delete. To select a group of contiguous sheets, click the first sheet tab, press Shift, and then click the last sheet. Excel displays the selected sheet's name bold and underlined. Then use either method to delete the selected sheets. I added 2 worksheets, sheet 4 and sheet 5 is listed at the bottom of your workbook. Sheet 4, I highlighted sheet 4. I'm holding down the Shift key. Now you have both sheets highlighted. If you go to the top of your workbook, you're going to see the title, and then it will be listed in brackets, group. You can right click and delete. You can go over to the top of your ribbon, go to delete, delete sheets. We're going to use the delete sheet method. Deleted our sheet 4 and sheet 5.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.